Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a private server on Roblox Mobile. Let's get started. First, open Roblox and choose any game you want to make a private server for. I'll use Adopt Me as an example. Tap the game, scroll down the page, and look for the Servers tab near the bottom, right under the social media icons. Tap Servers, and you'll see the private server section. Some games offer free private servers, while others require Robux. It depends on the game. If it's free, tap Create, then enter a server name. Once you're done, tap Buy Now or Create. After that, refresh the page and you'll see your new private server with a Join button. Tap Join and you're in. You can now invite friends and play together in your private server. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.